This short video demonstrates the ExcelEdit tool. This tool comes with Office Protect. You can use this tool to determine what menu commands show up on the File menu when editing an Excel document. If we open up an Excel file, we can look at the current selection of menu commands on the File menu. And depending upon what you're wanting to do with this document, you may want to prevent some of these commands from being visible to the user. The way you would do that is we'll launch the ExcelEdit tool. We'll click the select button and pick our workbook. And then we can hide all the commands or show all the commands or maybe just show part of the commands. For example, you may be using this tool to prepare your workbook so that it can be wrapped into a protected licensed application with secure launch. So you may want to show just some of the commands. Once you've done this, you simply click the Apply button. And now if we launch the workbook, we can see that only a subset of the commands are visible from the File menu. Let's try this one more time. We're going to launch the command again, pick our workbook file. In this case, let's go ahead and leave all the commands hidden. So we'll click the Apply button again. And now when we launch the workbook, we can see that all the commands have been hidden from the File menu.